What's up, future fighters? We are back. We're back in the code. The code we are working on is right here. We just demonstrated how combos really do belong here. And it's pretty cool how the different area of the codes work so differently, yet they accommodate such different type of moves. Here we have a combo move. Here we have a one-shot move. 27. Let's take a look at 27 and complete this kind of examination. Counter projectile combo forward can link. I mean, and now here this is the combination of the two. So this is the combination of numbers 0 and 9. Let's go and look. What have I done? Oh, it's so funny. So let me bring these over here. This is what we were just working in previously, and well, that's not going to be very helpful. Can we go back? Can we? Let's just get rid of the search results. Okay. So what did I say? Counter projectile combo forward can link stand. Here's the move. Oh, there's only one move in here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look-see. Block is pressed, which it would have already been pressed by combo escape. So moving forward, dodge project. Oh, there's more than one. There's more than one projectile. So instead of just one, you join two. Boom, boom. Which is really nice. And of course, that can be used as a link. Of course it can. Now that's probably going to not be as fast as number 9. Yeah, because there's no moving forward or anything like that. Here, sorry, I'm just gonna get readjusted. I'm still getting used to the new studio. That's funny. So. Alright. Let's check this move out. We gotta check this move out. Let's go to the game files and grab it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna load this into the AI. Which I should show you. So I just copy the move right into save data, and once I rename it to combo, it's in Shadow's brain, and we can, let's see. Oh, looks like there's our controls. Oh, there we go. It's pushing the wrong button. So I'm of course using the player 1 controller. As you can see, it triggers on the controller. That's Shadow over there. I mean, that is a fast move. Now it's not as fast as just that, because if you go back and watch the previous videos, you didn't see the silhouette exit. You saw it enter and then turn off, but it was actually the entry and exit. So when Shadow, you can see at the flash, when the first silhouette goes, that's Shadow taking over your character. And then when you see it flash again, that's him leaving your character. And when we did this one, it was all just one flash because it was so fast together. So maybe not something that you would want to use as a link move, because it'll be a little bit slower. But you could, and in fact, we may have. Let's check it out. We need strike control. Of course, I gotta find it in the sea of madness. Right here it is. So we are using it as a link. Such cool stuff. This summer we did a lot of cool things. This summer and fall, we did a lot of cool things with the AI. Really enhanced it. It's just neat to see it just kind of show up now in different places that it wasn't before, and it's just like, wow, so many opportunities. But this is great. That is just a great thing. That's going to reset the strike number. This won't reset the strike number, but that's okay because they're going to be close. You're going to be close to somebody here. And even though you'll I just had a thought. Why wouldn't we, after every combo move, why wouldn't we go back into choose move? We're doing it for all these link moves, of course. But why wouldn't you do it for every move? If you see what I'm getting at, we don't necessarily want to have to go back through and reevaluate every little tiny parameter. It's an extra step, and it might get us away when we have the opportunity to stay. This is profound. This is profound. This could be great. I mean, great for Shadow, not so great for you as a player because it'll make him harder and better. Oh, our movie's done, I think. Yeah, cool. I'm going to get that uploaded here while we're working. This is the video I recorded previously, part 2 of today. So that'll upload while we work. We just kick that to monitor 3. I can monitor the status up there. It's crazy. The new studio is crazy. I can really do a lot of things at once. It's really nice. So just gonna move over a little bit here. Maybe move forward a little bit too. Get a little closer. Try that. So this is profound. When we end a combo, why not go to choose move every time? Why not? Because if things are going wrong, such as you're far away from the opponent, you're gonna go back and reassess, or your link meter's down, and your link meter's down, and you're close to the opponent, and you're not in the corner. You're gonna get back. So I think I kind of have this script backwards a little bit. In that, really, just like case 12, well, that's just default. No. Default, I think, yeah. The default shouldn't be choose move -1. The default should be choose move -2. So you go back and choose move, and you decide if you want to continue the combo or not. That should be the default. And then anything else that you're like, no, I want to go back and I want to reassess. That should be here. Holy crap. That is huge. That is a huge upgrade. All right, well, we got to play this out here. Okay, let's do that. So this is where everything starts. And there's no threat, right? And you're not jumping in anything. And your link meter's not down, and you're close. And that's how you get here. That's how you get to choose move -2 to begin with. Just want to make sure. Yeah. And then let's say you go ahead and execute a move, right? So let's see here. We'll have to get organized. We're gonna have to get organized a little bit. So boom, it lands you here, and you pick one, basically. You pick one. Just pick one. And that lands you here, and your strike number is 0. So let's just say you choose 0. That's the move we worked on in the last video. And that's going to return that from strike control. Which that returns that from choose move, which gets set here. Just like that. Now, you're in this if statement. So you're going to skip this. Oh, your end. That's it. Because you're in this statement, so you're not going to do this. Let's see if there's anything. Oh, no, that's... So you're out. So basically, once you've chosen this, you would be out, and well, you'd be out, and then you're going to be back in because let's pull up the object here. Oh, that's not the object, the script. This is it. So AI, so you're going to just keep running this script every time, every step of the game. So boom, you're back in it. But now the current move index is not less than 0 because you've made a choice. So you take a step to make a choice. And you're coming back here. So you're less than 0. Now you're here. So you're going to go here. And so you check the distance again. And the combo switch. Okay, good. And you also you check threat again. Smart, just in case. That way you can get out of what you're doing. In combo. So in that case, you'd be default, and you choose move -1 and go back. So we'd have to make settings that would change things. Because we decided early that the default is this. That's challenging. So, in doing so, I see why I made that. I see why that is the default, because when I programmed it originally, the idea was I could just call this, and I could get back to the script, back to this loop here, and yeah. So we can't flip them. We can't flip them. But we can just add the cases. We could just add them. We could just add the numbers, which is fine. It's fine with me. It's fine. One's default, one's not. I mean, you're going to have to add numbers anyway. So why reinvent the wheel? We're not going to do that. So we're not changing. But let's continue. So this would kick it back. If there was no threat present, and if your opponent jumped in the gravity stream, it looks like. Yeah. I don't have AI thinking here. But that's fine. You have AI thinking up there, so that's fine. We'll just leave that. Actually, no. Let's go ahead and add that note. But let me grab 23. I said let me just grab the one I already created for 23, since it's related. Then what we'll do is this. Oh, oop, didn't get my indent right there. Okay, so script AI opponent in gravity stream, combo selected, but opponent in gravity stream. Kick to 23. And that will tell me. Good, good, good. Okay. One of the things you guys might notice is I keep the syntax error checker on at all times in all my script windows. I just leave it on, and that way if I mess something up, it tells me immediately down here what's wrong. So that's what that's for. Oops. It's sometimes GameMaker combines undos that I wouldn't expect. That's okay. Okay, so in combo, you release all the keys or gamepad buttons. That takes care of that, so that's good. What else? Okay, that would kick it up there. Now, that's if they jump in. If they don't, you move forward. So in other words, you got to get close enough to actually do the move, which is smart. And then you're going to kick out of the script and come back. And you would keep doing that until this distance is met. And once that distance is met, you go to execute combo. Now, execute combo, that turns the combo switch on, loads the moves into memory, picks a random move from that folder, which is good. Keeps you guessing. And chooses a move file, puts it in. So I'm just reading this real quick. Oh. Okay. So that's moving forward. You got to release that button so it doesn't interfere with the rest of the script if it's held down. And then you go into do combo. Okay, so yeah, since I have an if statement here, I go ahead and trigger it here while combo switch is 0, but the combo switch gets turned to 1. So the next time through, you're doing it here, but you don't want to. I don't have to wait a whole step to go into the combo. I want to go immediately. So let's take a look at do AI combo, and this is where each button of the move gets pressed. So pretty fancy stuff here, I guess. Got some debug messages going on. So yeah, you're just gonna go, basically just cycles through the list of moves. It's like a input buffer, and one by one it goes through them. So and this is telling the direction, which way is forward. Depending on which side you put it on, forward changes, right? So, and then you're subtracting moves from the array. Okay, good. I equals array length 1D minus 1 minus argument 0, and that's the interval between entries. So you're at the end. So your current move index is 10, which is your combo escape, which we've gone over in previous videos. So you're going to do this. Counterweight time equals 0. Okay. So this is telling you how you're going to do your counter. And this tells you if you're blocking or your opponent's doing a block breaker, to go right into it and end combo. Actually, you don't do the counter. You get out. You go to end combo. Okay. Now, in our case, we're not. Otherwise, you just you just keep adding to your counter. That's so stupid. It's the in other words, it iterates for your counter. But anyway, that's the counter, which is pretty cool. But in our case, we're not in combo escape. We're just doing a move. So when we go, it checks the follow through input, which is pretty cool. We can go through that some other time, and then it ends the combo. So you go to end combo here from do combo. That's where we would be. So let's get rid of that. So when we execute combo, that's here. Do combo. So in execute combo, we're going to end combo. Okay. And then we're here. And of course we're move number 0. So default we're gonna go here. And then it starts all over again. The loop starts all over again. But why would you do that?